How to prevent kids from downloading apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Screen Time. Within the Screen Time menu, locate the Content and Privacy Restrictions option under the Restrictions section and tap on it. Make sure the main toggle for Content and Privacy Restrictions is turned on. Inside this menu, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases at the top. Over here, you can manage your store purchases and re-download settings. Then, go to Installing Apps as shown. From here, change the settings from Allow to Don't Allow. The setting is now saved, and the App Store will no longer permit new downloads. Following these steps, you can easily prevent kids from downloading apps on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.